Hey guys, Dan Percival here, founder of the sport of Xtreme Ice Skating, and this is going to be a video about how to become a prototype tester. So the prototype of the Xtreme Ice Skate, the skate where you can actually test it, is coming out very shortly. Three-part process: fill out the address, the link at the bottom of this video, then I send you a tracing sheet in the mail, you send it back to me, get a pair of prototype skates made up for you, I send them to you, test them out for a month. Then after a month, you figure out what you like, what you don't like. You send that boot back to me, and you also tell me what you've discovered using this skate. And then we use all that information to come up with a final product. And I know that there's different sizes in each country, and there's different standards. So I want to be sure that there's no mistake in that. So I'll actually have you trace your foot and take some other measurements. Once you click on that link and fill out that information, I will immediately send this to you in the mail. And let's see if I can get this around to the camera here. If you can see here that there's directions about how to hold the pencil as you trace around your foot. Because just read the directions. If you don't follow them, what's going to happen is you're going to wind up getting the wrong size skate, is what I'm trying to say. There's other things here to measure around your foot, around your toe, the middle part, the ankle. The back half of this video I'll explain about how to do all this. And you fill out this information on the bottom. Parts on the top here you can fill out. Parts on the top where it says what color skate and what grade of the boot. This you could just leave blank. Deposit, you could leave all this blank. The reason why it says deposit and all this in here is because this is going to be the actual form when the skate's on the market, so everyone's going to get this if they're interested in buying the skate. But I'm using this for prototyping. On the back of this, you see there's a line going up the center. You put your foot on here, and then you trace around your foot, and that's to ensure I give you the right skate. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to show you quickly how you trace around your foot. So on the back side, you put your right foot down the right side, and you make sure the pencil's standing straight up and down, and then you just follow all the way along, making sure your pencil is up and down, including the back, your heel, and also make sure that your knee is prominently straight up and down. If you pull back on your knee like this, it's going to affect your heel, and it's going to change the actual measurement. You do your left side as well. Trace around your left, make sure that you press nice and hard, and then these measurements on top are going to be the measurements that you'll need to take with the measuring ruler that I will send to you in the mail. It'll say ball, instep, heel, and ankle. So basically all you do is you take the paper measuring ruler and you place the measuring ruler around your foot like so, and you make sure that you start with the 0. See how you start with the 0 here, and then you put that around the front of your foot and wherever it ends at. So in other words, if you're here, it's going to be, looks like it's going to be 24.5. So you want to make sure that this is where it is in the diagram. It shows in the front. Then you pull it up to the middle of your foot. You pull it up to be around your ankle, and then you pull it up ankle bone, I should say. Make sure the tape actually comes around the ankle bone, is so it comes on an ankle. You'll see it on the diagram on the front, and then around your ankle area, and then you just do that on your left foot as well, and you just notate all the measurements that you have in this box. And that's it. Just make sure you don't forget to fill out all the information here on the front. If you see something like deposit, that you don't need to do. Age, height, weight, that you can fill that out. Is growing room needed? You don't need that. Desired grade and color, desired color of X, you don't need that. And the only last thing, guys, is please make sure you send me these paper measuring rulers back. They took like 2 weeks to make because I had to make a whole bunch of them, both in inches and centimeters. So please send them back, and try to also please make sure that they don't get ripped or they just maintain in good shape. That's it. Bye bye.